and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we take you through the latest legal developments across the country. Starting with the headlines. Justice Prasanna B. Varale takes oath as Supreme Court judge. Fresh plea filed in Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi dispute, seeking installation of notice board stating the Sanctum Sanctorum not recognized as Shri Krishna's birthplace. Jharkhand High Court highlights duties of husband and wife, draws reference from Hindu religious texts. Calcutta High Court intervenes as controversy brews over West Bengal Class 10 exam timing. Now the headlines in detail. In a significant development today, Justice Prasanna B. Varale was sworn in as the judge of the Apex Court. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud administered the oath of office to Justice Varale, leading to the attainment of full working strength of 34 at the Supreme Court. Justice Varale was serving as the Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court prior to his name being recommended by the Supreme Court Collegium, and he will become the third sitting scheduled caste judge after Justice Gavai and Justice C.T. Ravi Kumar. A fresh plea has been filed before a local court in Mathura, urging the court to install a notice board at the disputed property of Shahi Idgah Mosque, stating that the Sanctum Sanctorum is not the real birthplace of Shri Krishna. Advocate P.V. Raghunandan, the petitioner, has sought that the said notice board shall explicitly state that the current Sanctum Sanctorum is not recognized as the birthplace of Lord Krishna. The plea filed before the Court of Civil Judge Senior Division Anupama Singh claims that the original Sanctum Sanctorum of the ancient Keshav Dev Mandir was allegedly demolished by Mughal ruler Aurangzeb, who then constructed the Shahi Idgah Mosque at the same location. The plea argues that devotees visiting the present Sanctum Sanctorum of the Shri Krishna Janmabhoomi Mandir should be informed that this location is not the actual Sanctum Sanctorum. The Jharkhand High Court in a recent decision has incorporated references from the Hindu religious texts while delivering a crucial order involving a distraught wife seeking maintenance from her husband. Justice Subhash Chand, in a comprehensive 25-page judgment, delved into the intricacies of marital relationships and expounded the right and responsibilities of married couples. The court addressed a case filed by Rudra Narayan Ray, challenging a family court's maintenance order for his wife and minor son. The court modified the said order with enhancement of the maintenance amount from 15,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees. Quoting the Supreme Court, Justice Chand emphasized the traditional belief in India that unlike the Western world, a wife is expected to become an integral part of her husband's family, and living separately from the husband's family is uncommon, unless the same can be justified with strong reasons. Religious texts including excerpts from Rigveda, Yajurveda and Manusmriti were cited to outline the cultural and social expectations surrounding marriage. The order detailed specific roles for both husbands and wives, stating that the goals and functions of marriage can only be achieved when each family member fulfills their designated duty and role. The court highlighted the husband's responsibilities to include being a sex partner, companion, confidant, decision maker and accountant, while the wife's responsibilities, as stated by the court, are to be an open and affectionate companion, a good sex partner, confidant and a social secretary to the husband. In a noteworthy development, the Calcutta High Court has stepped in to address the escalating issue surrounding the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education's recent decision to alter the timing of upcoming Class 10 examinations. Justice Biswajit Basu, presiding over the case, has issued directions to WBSE to submit a prompt response to a representation seeking the cancellation of the revised exam schedule. The matter came before the High Court after a concerned teacher challenged a notification issued on January 18 before the court. The said notification lays down WBSE's unexplained decision to advance the timing of the Class 10 examination by 2 hours. The exams are scheduled to take place in February, and if the notification is implemented, a departure from the usual timing, that is 11:45 am, will be seen, and the exams will begin at 9:45 am. The petitioner contends that this change will affect lakhs of students across the state, prompting the court to acknowledge the potential impact on examinees. Justice Basu sought an explanation from the WBBSE regarding the rationale behind the change of timing. In response, the new schedule was defended by the State Council. citing time of class 10 examinations of other state boards, which begin generally at 10 am. WBBSC further clarified that the initial 15 minutes of the exam will be dedicated to reading of questions, and the exam will actually begin at 10 am. Furthermore, the council informed the court that district magistrates have been directed to arrange special facilities for transportation and other necessities for the students appearing for the examination. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.